Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from the chapter Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is one of the probability distribution where x is a random variable which is a discrete random variable. Write down the standard deviation and mode of the Poisson distribution with parameter 16 by 9. Solution. Suppose x is a random variable with parameter lambda, where lambda greater than 0, follows Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. The PMF, the probability mass function, the short form is PMF. Mass function of Poisson distribution is f of x equals to e to the power minus lambda, e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x by factorial x, where x equals to 0, 1, 2, to infinity and 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. This is the probability mass function or PMF. PMF is the short form of probability mass function of Poisson distribution. F of x equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x whole divided by factorial x, where x running from 0, 1, 2 up to infinity or 0 otherwise. Now what is lambda? Lambda is mean and variance of the Poisson distribution. Parameter is given as 16 by 9, that is lambda equals to 16 by 9. Now standard deviation is what? Standard deviation is the positive square root of variance. Positive square root of variance, that is under root 16 by 9. Positive square root. Therefore this is 4 by 3. Standard deviation is 4 by 3. Now here mean equals to lambda equals to 16 by 9, which is a fraction. The value is equals to approximately 1.77. Now since lambda is a fraction, and let k be the greatest integer of this fraction. Let k be the greatest integer of lambda. Here it is, here k equals to 1. The mode of the Poisson distribution is k, the greatest integer containing lambda. The greatest integer containing lambda is 1. Therefore the mode of the Poisson distribution is 1. SD Standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Lambda is the mean equals to variance for the Poisson distribution. The parameter is given as the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution. Therefore, SD is the square root of the variance equals to 4/9, and the lambda equals to the parameter equals to 16/9, which is a positive fraction. Since it is a fraction and the value is 1.77, the greatest integer containing this 1.77 is 1. The integer is 1. Therefore, the mode of this distribution is 1. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.